Anybody here realizing actually marriage can be a lot of fun if we don't take it as seriously as we do? Anybody realizing that? That you can literally turn it into a game with yourself. आज तो मैं ऐसे करके देखूंगी, आज तो मैं ये ट्राई करके देखूंगी. I have done it for so many years. I would go into the room and I would go, you know what? I'm going to make sure. I remember at one point deciding that for the 3 days holiday that we go for, I will not fight. I will come back without fighting. No matter what he says, I will not fight. Went, last day had a fight. Went again had a fight. Took me 3-4 times of putting this intention out before I could manage a 3-day trip without a fight. Sounds crazy, right? But some of us are stuck there. For some of you, you can just decide, aaj nahi fight karungi. Literally, that's some of us, not all of us, but some of us. I want you to make this whole thing such a fun game, because guess what? You are becoming in the process a magnetic woman. And do you think a magnetic woman in this world is a high value woman? And do you think just learning the art of changing our tonality can be such a profound thing to happen to our relationship? Because 90% of the time what we are saying is right. It's only how we are saying it that is causing all the problem. True? Willing to practice this? In front of the mirror every day. Every day, stand in front of the mirror, aaj kya issue hai? Okay? And then say out how you would normally say out. हो गया ना तो शुरू, बोला तो था कल मैंने. Then go. What's the first expression? Sweetie, I've been feeling a bit bad because every day after golf you're staying back, and you know what, I feel like golf itself takes 5 hours, then after that you spend time with your friends and I feel very ignored. What do you want? Movie? This Sunday? Chale? Chal, ticket kara le. It could have been so much easier. But I am going straight. True or not? Yes? Can start working with this? Change the man. So see, if somebody is not reciprocating, firstly I'll tell you what. You think you've been doing this. The truth is you're not. Okay? Because in my life, whenever my dad or Jack or anybody gave me advice, I said, I do this all the time. But actually when I did it, that's when Puneet would say, you know what, this time how you approached me was very different from all your last 100 times. So you're thinking that he will not respond correctly even when you are sweet. आदमी है, कर लेगा. इतना तो भरोसा रखो. और अगर बिल्कुल ही नहीं कर पाया, literally you need to change the man. And I mean not in any way saying that you should change the man. I'm just saying you need to change your energy and your energy will change the man. Trust me on this. I know what I'm talking. First go do it the right way. Maybe you tried it, but you tried it once. Can your relationship plant grow if you water it once? When you water it once, he's actually looking, ये क्या खा के आई है? ये कितने दिन? अभी तो तुम सबका टेस्ट है घर जाके, क्योंकि लव बबल तो 1 हफ्ता तो you'll be extra sweet, मुझे भी पता है. And when you'll be extra sweet, he'll be like waiting. असली रूप कब आएगा? असली रूप कब आएगा? ये तो अभी कोर्स का हाई है. Okay? And then if you last 2 weeks and you last a month, suddenly he's not going to tell you, by the way. He's going to start to tell people around you. बदल गई है. Your children will know, your parents will know, your in-laws will know, you will not know. To you, he will still behave as if you have not changed because he doesn't want to give you too fast, too much power. True? So he's going to keep you grounded because that's the job of the man, to keep you grounded. But you know what? You last long enough, I promise you everything will change.